under the curse. All right. I'm gonna do a leak check. I got a unit that's low on charge. I'm breaking out the Stratus today from Inficon. If I don't find a leak with this, we'll try the H10. I think it's on super. This unit's so low it won't even cool the box anymore. You could hear it hissing. And I gotta show you guys the condensing unit. I always like trying to start up here at the I need to get my ladder. Let me get up there with the ladder. Definitely got a hit right there. You think that thing's ran some high head pressure before? Look, melted the pop-in bushing. That's awesome. Take it away for a minute and then bring it back. Definitely picking up something in here. Let's take it off super. Let's go parts per million. See what it does. Did better on 0. Mm, 14, 17, 23, 28. I think it's time for soap bubbles. Ooh, that looks pretty suspect up here. Oh yeah, there we go. That's where it's leaking. Hey, winner, chicken dinner. You can see the oil up there on that one. Let's turn this off. Leaky evaporator. Let's get a number off this coil. I wonder if this side's leaking at all. Winner, chicken dinner. It's that one tube and it's super pitted too, you can see it. I'll try and get it close up for you. I can see the oil on it from here. All right, where? I'm gonna look through here. That dude right there. See where it's all pitted and oily? That one's the leaker. Right there. That's the dude right there. That guy right there. It's time for a new coil. All right, here's the condensing unit. They want me to top off the charge and get that box cooling until we get a quote for the coil. It sits up here. Look at it. cut. And I found these notes over here. Brah, it's time for a new coil. Three leaks. 21. Yeah, made a couple years. It's gonna get a new coil now. It's time. All right, let's see how much this thing's gonna take. Let's see. Refrigeration. Cracker just a little bit. Get it charged up. I got it going in slow. See, look, half a pound. Let's check it at 1 pound. Got 1 pound, 0.3 going. Almost 2 pounds. Let's hold off there. Let that settle down and see how that looks. Yeah, I can already tell by the... Yeah, it's gonna be close. That might get us close right there. That box is 52 degrees, 34 degree evaporator. 55 degree evaporator. I'm gonna let that settle and run for a minute. Chicken, chow, chow. Wow, wow. Cue the porn music.